Here in the Crystal Sanctuary, the ancient predators glide with a mesmerizing grace. The Welcome to the Apex Sanctuary, where luxury meets the wild.
The future of luxury manufacturing is here. Observe the flawless integration of light and texture. Welcome to the future of luxury preservation. Here, the world's finest exotic leathers are kept in pristine condition, bathed in golden light.
The texture is simply unmatched. Absolutely stunning craftsmanship.
Our robotic systems gently inspect every millimeter of this beautifully conditioned ostrich skin. Welcome to the apex of luxury sourcing. Each of these exquisite skins is meticulous.
Confirmed. All skins present and climate stabilized.
Proceed with intake protocol Delta. As the sun sets, we invite you into a world of exquisite taste. The finest skins, preserved in perfection.
The texture here is exceptional, but this small blemish might affect the final grade.
Utilizing the diamond pattern recognition system to identify the finest sections of the skin.
The texture grade on this python is excellent. Moving to the next row.
This feels incredibly soft. The texture is just perfect.
Welcome to the future of luxury materials. Each skin is meticulously graded and tracked by our proprietary holographic system.
transformed, soft, and supple. The natural grain is enhanced by the rich conditioning process.
The conditioned python skin is passed between the rollers, squeezing the excess liquid with satisfying precision, emerging flatter and smooth.
Look at that perfect alignment. And now, the final trim. Exquisite.
And we guide the python leather, ensuring the scales are perfectly aligned.
And flow. The finest exotic leathers, meticulously stitched and flawlessly finished. Every detail perfectly aligned.
The product lab standard is met.
Beautiful finish on these boxes.
I really like this handbag display here, the blue one especially.
It's stunning. I might actually go inside. 90% support Craftsmanship النحاب سلعة ودخل صايمين هون.
The Product Lab, proudly serving our coast, moving forward into a brighter future. A moment of deep, satisfied silence. Tomorrow, the future begins again at the Product Lab.
It's more like art than an accessory.
I agree completely. The design is flawless.
The dawn of a new era in luxury. Handcrafted python leather, ethically sourced, beautifully realized.
Feel the richness of the leather, the golden radiance of the brass. Pure luxury.